Y'all, come on in. We're waiting for you. It's your girl, Sheila, and my daughter, Coachteshat T. Letitia. Oh, yeah, and we're going to mukbang this, y'all. It's my homemade beef liver smothered in a tomato gravy base. Oh, yeah. Go to my cooking channel, PromoSTK, Sheila Creations Way Cooking Show, and see how I made this Southern tradition. Oh, yeah, baby. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Sheila.
And Coachteshat T.
My daughter, Letitia. Y'all, go to my cooking channel and see how I made my beef liver with tomato-based gravy. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to show y'all my food. Come on, Tisha. Show my food. Get y'all a close-up. Want to see your face, too? Yeah, that's it. Get some. Yeah. All right, y'all. I'm ready to eat. My sister daughter gonna pray, bless the food. We're gonna get it in.
Lord, we pray for the food, letting us to our bodies. We pray for the ones who prepared food and those who don't have any food. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen, amen, amen. So yeah, I remember when I first tried tomato-based liver. See, listen to Bella. Here. Bella's a mess. Yeah, maybe let's go ahead and let her in. Cause she mad now. Bella fussing, y'all. Bella, ooh, she's a character. She fussing. She mad.
She's something else now.
Come on. Come on. She said, y'all don't put me in the room. She's a mess, y'all.
Move.
So,
No.
Yeah, let the dogs out. Who let the dogs out?
No.
Go to my cooking channel and see how I made my liver. The first time I ever tried it was at Piccadilly, and I fell in love. Every time we would go to Montgomery, I would always get their liver. Every time. Y'all look. Let me show y'all how good and tender that is. Look at that. There you go. Get some.
It's good.
How you like it, baby? Oh.
Hot.
Did you get the mashed potato?
Yep.
You can left it in the car?
It's on the table.
Oh, okay. Here's some more. See that? It's good, y'all. Hard. I was gonna make mashed potato with it, but everybody wanted rice.
What's y'all doing?
And I will be doing shout outs today, y'all. Yep. I appreciate all my new members, all my new subscribers. I do. I appreciate y'all coming over from TikTok. I appreciate y'all coming over from YouTube. I appreciate y'all coming over from Facebook.
Get down. Move. Get down. Y'all are a mess. Seriously. If y'all could just sit here, that'd be fine. But jumping on me is a whole nother level.
They trying to get you.
They not gonna get me. They know not to get me. They know. No
They
food
know.
coming from my ear.
They know how to try me either.
I don't know why they be jumping.
I appreciate y'all coming to my live premieres. And if I go live, appreciate y'all coming there too. Got a good old onion, y'all. That one was a hot bite. Remember, T. Taylor wanted me to see that movie called Frozen.
The cartoon?
No, it's a movie. I think it's on. Is it on Prime? Amazon? Is it Prime? I started watching it. I got like about 40 more minutes left in it. I got like 120 minutes. I think it's what it's saying now. Or hour 20 minutes. Let me tell you, T. Taylor, why you had to tell me about that movie.
Is it sad?
It's good. But it's like, man, it'll make you mad. Because of how the situation happened.
Right.
So, if y'all out there, if y'all have seen the movie Frozen, not the kid movie, it's just based in like a ski resort. And just imagine Frozen, you know.
I think I saw a preview.
I don't know how it's gonna end.
Not good. Not good.
All I know is, man, it just ain't looking good right now. It ain't looking good at all. Ooh. Oh, that was hot on my finger. It's hot. I mean, this was the last thing I got out of the oven, y'all. Was my liver. It's hot. What they say? No cap. It's hot.
I'm trying to figure out where that noise started coming from.
What noise?
That beep noise.
Oh, Frank, I changed the battery in the alarm.
Oh.
In the smoke alarm. You trying to figure out where noise coming from?
Well, I knew where it's coming from, but I was like, it started when
I think he got the, yeah, no, it had already started. I think he got a battery, he just didn't put it in yet. Who like liver? And let me know if you had tomato-based liver before.
What?
Kelvin said, I did Frank on Frank.
I'm fine.
The pocky chip.
Recently?
Well, Y'all asked for a prank on prank. Y'all got it. Mm. I'm gonna start posting a lot of cooking videos coming to the holidays.
Yeah. Why?
Just because I love to cook. Mm-hmm. So if y'all want to go over there and subscribe to my cooking channel.
Get down. Get down, Junior. It's always you.
Mm.
Thank you, Mom. That was good. My stomach is
You're welcome back.
full.
Mm-hmm.
I ate too much.
That hiccup.
Well, not the hiccup, but
What?
that part that you burp out.
Mm.
And you be the stink burp. Or the food smelling burp. But, ooh, I ate way too much now. I ate to the stomach ache pain. Oh, it's not that bad, but I got the itis.
Yeah, especially when you work all day. And if y'all wonder where Frank is, his uncle just got out of the hospital. So he went down there to see him. Had pneumonia when they got him on hospice.
Bella. She got quiet real quick. Thought she was gonna get food.
Last word for y'all.
I wonder what people think about when they're in those times.
What times?
Hospice.
Well, no.
I wonder what they
Well, a lot of times
thought.
A lot of times they turn you over to hospice and you don't really be nothing wrong. Remember, they had turned Daddy over to hospital the first time, like, ain't nothing wrong with Daddy. And so I told him to pull him off. He didn't need hospice. And then Mama got on hospice.
Yep.
Well, look how long she lived after she was on hospice. So just because you're on hospice don't mean it's a death sentence. You know what I mean? And because somebody put you on hospice today don't mean you're gonna die tomorrow. You know, you're gonna die when God get ready for you to die. And that's it. No matter what.
That is true.
Because God is the only one that knows. Doctors don't. They can project. You know, they'll tell you, like they said Mama was gonna die. Shoot. But 4 years before she died. You know? Hey, listen up, folks.
They don't know. They just know what they think medical wise.
Hello, y'all. I figured the banana pudding out. We don't have to go.
I'm too full.
I know you are, baby. I know you are, baby. I know you are. I know you're full. But I saved enough room in my tummy. But me some. And me and Frank ate that much already. Look at that.
My stomach hurts.
You probably eat the boo-boo, girl.
I just ate. Ain't nothing coming out right now.
All right. I didn't show y'all how I made this banana pudding because I got a lot of banana pudding on my cooking channel. I'm gonna take this. So ain't no sense in me doing it again. All right?
Yep.
Y'all can just go back and look at my recipe. But I give y'all some of this. Got it? I'll share. I'll share. Yeah. I'll share. You can see that TikTok I did.
What TikTok?
I'm funny. It's like I'm passing gas. And the dogs are all over him else and they jump off.
Really? When did you post that one?
Yeah.
I must have missed that one.
Yeah, go check it out.
I'm gonna have to check it out. And I saw the other one. But I haven't seen it.
I'm full now. That this topped me off.
I knew it.
I know, right?
Yeah.
It topped me off, y'all. You know how you just got taste for something? Remember when you was younger, Tisha?
Yeah, I remember.
She would have food left over her plate, but she would save this much room for dessert. She'd be full for the food, but she had this much room for dessert.
Gotta save room for dessert. This time I didn't save any room because I was so hungry. And then I ate, I'm like, maybe my food will digest a little bit later. And then I can eat some dessert.
I'm stuffed now.
I told you.
So let's drink out that water. Woo, I'm stuffed. That's a quick little video. So we're going to go ahead and end this. PromoSTK. Oh, no, hold up. I forgot my shout outs.
Bella, hush.
Hold on, y'all.
Bella getting mad.
Why?
Because she know, no, get down. Because she know you ending the video.
Oh,
Lord. As soon as you said, okay, we're about to end, you said, yeah, she started barking. It's like, where's my food?
Oh, excuse me, y'all.
You don't get no food, girl.
Oh, excuse me. That made more room in the end. All right, so let me do my shout outs. Embry Family Entertaining 7. Excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. Embry Family Entertaining 7. Thank you very much for subscribing, for one, to PromoSTK. Now you're part of my family. She says barbecue ham hock. Wow, I bet it tastes so good. And it did. It was so good. Junior Official Kamara says that rice and ham hock be looking delicious. Don't you know it? Don't you know it? It's my PromoSTK Sheila Crazy with rice. Yeah, baby. Paula Solari Pickup. She said, missed this. She was cooking, so she missed my live premiere. She said, have a great night. Frank's Shorts got a lot of smiles on because he watched the Passing Gas and Dogs Run Away video. Little short video. Shalisa's Journal is all laugh. She watched the Passing Gas video too. The Fall into Fall video, Rome's Eating and Conversation says, hey, fam, I'm here for the replay. Blessings, let's get it. And Paprika ASMR sends pumpkins, sunflower, and popcorn. And also says, trying to catch all the premieres. That was when we did the OBHF One Big Happy Family collab. Quinini Blogs says yes. Miss Shan Shorty Recipes got prayer hands and a heart. Tawana Glover says, hi family, I was watching the barbecue video. That's what's up, girl. Thank you, Tawana Clark. Thank you, Tawana Glover. Two Tawanas. Tawana Clark and Tawana Glover. So thank you, Tawana Glover, for that comment and for watching the videos. Box Gaming says, was that real? About the passing gas. It was a TikTok. It wasn't real. Dwayne McLean says, I love you guys and your channel. Thank you so much. He says, Frank, my boy. He said, he funny. All right. That's what's up. Veggie Pal says, happy Friday, fam. I'm here for this challenge. And the challenge he was talking about was the roll through China challenge. Okay, let's see. MRTV says, hey, family, let's get it. We have Rosella Joni says, lovely. And we have Farrah Temple says, oh my gosh, thank God. She was referring to the matted dog video. Unique's Way says, wow, looking at the doggy. And now we have Kiana Caldwell says, your husband, oh yeah. She says, your husband needs to realize that people are watching and listening to what he is saying. So be mindful how he talks to you. And I responded back because I think it's her first time watching that video, because everybody that watches our videos knows how me and Frank banter. That's what our channel's about. We just have fun, you know? And so that's what I told her. I said, you must be new to our videos. This is what we do on this channel. I said, we mean no harm to anyone. This is all fun. 19 years of this, y'all. 19 years. And then I said, and that's why everyone enjoys a prank on Frank. Because did y'all see that prank on Frank? We did a prank on Frank. Y'all got to see it. Yeah. It's the Pocky. Yeah. It's the Pocky one chip. Yeah. And just go to the playlist. Go to my, up top, you'll see all of the different little things above my channel. And one will say playlist. Click on the playlist. Go to PromoSTK Prank on Franks. And look at all the pranks I done pulled on Frank. Okay? Yeah. He's a good sport, y'all. He really is. Because I kind of tortured him in a lot of pranks, too. And y'all enjoy it, right? So, Kiana Caldwell. Yeah, that's just us. This is how we are. The Lisa D. Delights Show says, OMG. She was referring to the matted dog. And I got to give my channels props to y'all. My PromoSTK, Sheila's Creations Way cooking show. That's where I cook this stuff to bring to you guys when we eat it. Unless we go to a restaurant or bring the restaurant home to us. But yeah, that's what I do. I cook on that channel and I bring it here and let y'all watch us eat it. And then Coco TV says, let's fall into fall. One big happy family. And then Weed Me says, crab. I did this when I did the crab salad. She liked that. Doris McNeely says, y'all so funny and lovable. Yummy. D Diets Preps and More says, good morning again. And let me see how you guys made this crab salad. Tawana Glover says, good morning, family. Eat and Talk with P says, hey, food looks good. Amazing challenge. Sheila Cave says, hey, twin. Been busy. Love the video. Thank you very much. James Wilson's got all salivating faces. He loved the food. Go ahead and click on some of these. And then, let's see. Wani Blue 16 says, I rolled through. And Frank, good job. Sheila. Little Gilmo Eats. He says, that girl ain't playing. Yeah, I tore it up. He says, my Aunt Nettie and Uncle Fred lived in Dothan, Alabama. Yeah, that's where we at now. That's where we at. Home of the South. Living Life with Tia says, hello, this is a nice challenge. Y'all food looks delicious. These were nice shout outs. I enjoyed watching. Thanks for sharing. Yes, because I'm starting to do shout outs in the end of my videos, you guys. TWT TV. It says, hey there, fam. Checking in on y'all. That food looks amazing. Keep this great content coming, fam. Thank you for watching. And thank you for making your comments. All right, so we got PromoSTK reactions and ASMR. That's also me. Yeah, I do reactions on that channel and ASMR sounds too. Yeah, y'all go check it out. Eats and Treats with Eugenia. Says, food looks good. Now I want some Chinese food. I don't know if I could do this challenge. Y'all just the cutest couple. Well, thank you. And I did respond back. I responded back to all my comments. And I did tell them they can do this challenge because you don't have to rush to eat it. It's not a time challenge. Just eat as a meal. Yeah. Rissa's Mukbang and ASMR says those egg rolls look good. Oh, they were so good, y'all. They were so good. Avid B. She's got hearts. Thank you for your heart. Thank you for the love. Chrissy Lee Gill +2 says, Sheila, you're super creative. With it being the beginning of October, could you come up with some fun recipes for us to try for Halloween? And I gotta think about that too. Yeah. She also said, another comment, that she understands that challenges are supposed to be fun and entertaining for community, but that she would rather enjoy watching people sit down and enjoy their meal without force feeding themselves and being sick and miserable at the end and possibly days to come. She said, glad there was no time limit. And that was to the Little Gilmo Eats and the hashtag Cannons Challenge with the roll through China. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so like when people be like,
beast mode. We done did some of those too, y'all.
I'm about to go.
Hold on, let me finish. I got a couple more. I already said Weed Me. Weed Me says, how are you? And Weed Me commented again. Well, several people commented again. I'm trying to only read one, but I think I already did Weed Me. But Weed Me, thank you. She got a little smiley face. Tommy Bites Homestead says, love it, Sheila, but I already know Frank is going to eat it all quick. And you were wrong, Tommy, sis, because I did first. And then we have Mama T Speak. She says, hey fam, looks delicious. Hey fam, looks delicious. And then we have Melissa Ottilie, says gratifying. We have Alice Farmer. We have Mukbang Things. It was great to see you take on this challenge. You did an excellent job and finished before Frank. I did. Big Torino's, this is my Big Torino's pizza. Supreme Tech Lit News says, that pizza looked like the real deal. Oh yeah, it was. So we're gonna stop it at that. I'm just doing it. Now when I do these shout outs, I'm doing them as of the day that I'm actually watching, how do I say it? Whatever day that I shoot this video is the day that I'm gonna do the comments on here. No food. So y'all may not see these comments because it's not in coinciding with the video. You understand that? Because I don't know what day this video is gonna drop. You know, because y'all know I drop videos every day, and sometimes I put videos before other videos, depending on if it's a challenge, depending on if someone requested it to be done and that kind of thing. So, but trust and believe, if y'all commenting within a 24-hour period, no matter what video you look on, it's gonna have you guys comments on there. And I'm just not saying your name, I am reading your comments. So yeah, well, I don't care if the comment's good or the comment's bad, I'm still gonna read your comments, because hey, I want to know, and I want y'all to know too. So we're gonna end the comments there. And I appreciate your comments. If y'all haven't subscribed, please subscribe. What are you waiting for? Become part of my Oh Yeah Baby family. Today it's free. Yeah. And we appreciate you guys coming over, taking up time with us. I appreciate all the mods. And when y'all go to my live premieres and y'all see the people in blue, they're mods, and they're helping, you know, the flow of the live premieres, and I appreciate them for coming over and helping out. Big Belly Bob, he's one of my mods. He's been in there helping out. Mukbang Thing, she's been in there helping out. Vicky's World. Y'all didn't hear me read her here, but she's been in the comment sections in my live premieres, you know? Vicky's World. So, Rome's Eating, Real Girl Food World, you know, Tone and Ree Show, Real Ralph and Mika Boo. You know, these are people that's in my live premieres, and they may not be in these comments. They are majority of the time, but they may not be in here today, but they are in my live premieres. So I wish my live premiere comments would show up in here too. But anyway, I appreciate all y'all. And if I missed you, anybody, don't take it out on me. Oh, Body for Days, she's Jerica. She's one of my mods, and she's in my live premieres. Tam Sable, she's in my live premiere. She's one of my mods. I'm trying to make sure I get all the people that would be in my mods. Frank Shorts, he's also Frank GTV. He's one of my mods. MRTV, thank you so much for your support. But yeah, so we're gonna end that, and just know I'm ending it, but not my love for y'all. PROMOSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
PROMOSTK.
Eating good in the neighborhood.
Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating in the neighborhood. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Where my oh yeah babies at? Oh yeah. Where my oh yeah babies at? Oh yeah, baby. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Hit the button. The red button. That is the red button. That is, yeah.